Alright, today we're going to be working on my 1976 Ford Bronco. This thing has Poly EFI on it. With the MS exterior, I think. I don't remember. EFI sniper. It needs a lot of body work. So we got these new panels in, this in. New floors are in here. New bed is in. We still got a bunch of parts to replace. Next, we're gonna work on cutting this piece out here and putting the new one in, which it is right here. So let's get to it. Well, I've been working my way around this with this tool, hopefully getting all the spot welds. I'm gonna try to start peeling it back and see if I can get this piece separated off here. Well, we got it pulled up back a little bit right here. We got a few more spot welds we gotta crack apart, and we can probably pull this thing off. So let me get back to it and see if we can get this thing removed today. Well, we got this thing ready to pull off. Just a few more spot welds, but of course the battery died. So we're gonna wait for it to charge, get these last few spot welds off, and pull this off of here. So we finally got the apron off. Now we're working on getting this piece off because this new apron has that piece on it. So a few more spot welds and we're gonna be able to pull this thing off, hopefully. All right, we've got some of this straightened out. We gotta patch some of this, grind some of this off. But we're getting kind of close. This is gonna be the hardest part, really. Might have to remake that, but we'll just see.